Hi, I'm Roger from Evanex. We're going to talk about the installation of the Evanex front license plate bracket. This bracket allows you to install the license plate low on your Model X, something that a lot of owners like. In addition, it's a very quick install. No bolts, no screws, no drilling. Let's get started. Let's talk about the components that come with the Evanex front license plate bracket for Model X. First, we have the lower angle bracket. This guy sits on top of the lower air dam of Model X and attaches using a very high strength 3M automotive adhesive. This is extremely strong and is completely secure. In addition, we have the license plate bracket itself. This is covered by a license plate with holes appropriately drilled for all North American license plates. This bracket for the license plate fits onto the front of the lower angle bracket, and effectively that's all there is to it. Finally, in addition, we have all the hardware we need, including cleaning materials and an Allen wrench to help you install the screws required for your license plate. The only other tools you'll need would be either a simple pliers or a 7/16 crescent wrench. Installation is easy and quick. Let's get started. Surface preparation of the lower air dam surface is extremely important. The first thing you should do is wash your car normally. Then, using an alcohol pad that we provide with the product, clean the upper surface. We take the alcohol pad, which is saturated with isopropyl alcohol, and we simply clean the lower air dam surface in the center of the car, using probably about this wide an area. We clean it thoroughly, and then, very important, wait for it to dry. We need to center the license plate bracket, and the way we do that is by using the Tesla T. We're moving down from the point of the T, we go into the air dam and find a vertical air dam support right here. It turns out that that vertical support is going to fit into this slot, the center slot, on the lower angle bracket. We then will slide the angle bracket in at an angle, and we're ready to go. Once you've found the vertical support, the next thing we want to do is conduct a dry run. Do not remove the very high bond tape. We're going to do this with the covering on. We tilt the lower angle bracket upward, slide it into place until it connects with the central vertical support. Then we'll drop it down. That's all there is to it. The only difference is we're going to remove the adhesive covering so that when we do it and lay it down, it adheres to the air dam surface. Once you've conducted your dry run and you understand the process, the very next thing we do is install the lower angle bracket. To accomplish that, we simply remove the very high bond tape covering, and once we've done that, we're ready to install. Once we remove the tape, we're then going to angle the bracket and slide it into place, being sure that it's tilted up so that the tape underneath does not contact the air dam until we're ready to install the piece. We slide it in at an angle, looking for the central vertical support. Make sure it's in place, sliding it back and forth to be certain, and then press down. Once we press down, this guy is adhered. It's going nowhere. The next task is very simple. We want to attach the license plate to the license plate bracket. We do that using the top holes and the 5/8" screw washers and bolts provided. We apply, put a washer behind like this, and hand tighten with the upper bolts attached We then use the longer 7/8 inch bolts to attach the license plate and bracket to the lower angle bracket already on the car. We take another lock nut and washer and attach it right here. Hand tightening for now.